So in order to create your Facebook avatar, it's actually very simple. The first thing you need to do is load up the Facebook application, and once you've done this, you want to make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're here, you want to click on the three lines in the bottom right hand corner, and this will take you to the main menu, and you want to click on See More at the bottom. From here, you want to click on Avatars, which should be the second one below. You should be greeted with the avatar welcome screen, and it's just going to tell you more about your avatar. So you want to click on Next, and then you want to click on Next again. From here, you want to personalize your avatar, and then click on Next at the bottom to go to the next option. So once you've gone through all the categories and you've created your avatar, you want to click on the tick icon in the top right. From here, it is going to show you your new avatar, and you can use this on your Facebook and Facebook Messenger, and then you want to click on Next. From here, it's going to tell you that you can use your avatar as a Facebook sticker as well. So once you're ready, just click on Done. And that's it, your avatar has been created. If you want to share it, you can click on the share button in the top right. And here you can choose whether to set it as your profile picture or share it to your newsfeed. If you want to view a preview of the stickers of your avatar, you want to click on the middle button on the right, and this is going to show you all of the stickers with your avatar. Now you can always go back and edit your avatar by clicking on the pencil in the top right, and here you can edit your avatar to your likings and click on the tick in the top right once you're ready. So once you're ready, just click on the X in the top left, and now your avatar has been created. You can start using it in Facebook and Facebook Messenger. So if this video was helpful, please leave a like and pass on to someone who may find it helpful as well. If you have any questions or comments, just leave them below and I'll reply to you as soon as possible. Thank you for watching and have a good day.